Does the Nissan Leaf II come with a spare tire? The short answer is no. From 2017 onwards, the Leaf II prioritizes efficiency and weight reduction, so it doesn't include a traditional spare. Eliminating the spare tire saves weight, crucial for maximizing the Leaf's battery range. A spare can add 30 to 50 pounds, potentially reducing range by 5 to 10 miles. This decision aligns with EV design principles, favoring efficiency and cargo space. Instead of a spare tire, the Nissan Leaf II comes standard with a tire repair kit. This kit includes an air compressor and a sealant canister. It's designed to temporarily fix punctures up to 1/4 inch in size. This allows you to drive up to 100 miles at speeds under 50 miles per hour to reach a repair shop safely. The tire repair kit includes a sealant canister that contains a special fluid, a compressor for inflation, and connecting hoses. These components work together to provide a temporary fix for punctures up to 1/4 inch in diameter. To use the kit, first connect the sealant canister to the tire's valve stem. The compressor then injects the sealant into the tire while simultaneously inflating it. The sealant fills the puncture and hardens to create a temporary seal. Always follow the kit's instructions carefully and drive slowly, no more than 50 miles per hour. This fix allows you to drive up to 100 miles to reach a service center, but it's only temporary. After using the repair kit, get the tire professionally inspected and repaired or replaced as soon as possible to ensure your safety and prevent further damage. The Leaf II has a TPMS, which monitors tire pressure in real time. This system alerts you to pressure drops, helping to prevent blowouts and maintain optimal tire performance. Pay attention to these warnings. A space-saver spare isn't offered on the Nissan Leaf II, even as an option. This design choice helps maintain the vehicle's lightweight structure for optimal battery range. Some trims, like the 2022 Plus S Plus, might include run-flat tires. These special tires allow you to continue driving a short distance even with a flat, giving you time to reach a service center safely. However, run-flat tires aren't standard on all Nissan Leaf II models. Always check your vehicle's specifications to confirm if this feature is included in your trim. The trend of omitting spare tires in EVs is growing rapidly, with 80% of new EVs already lacking them according to recent industry reports. Repair kits and run-flat tires are becoming more common as alternatives, helping to save weight and boost vehicle efficiency. This design reduces costs by up to $200 per vehicle and lowers environmental impact by eliminating unused tires. Experts predict that by 2030, 90% of EVs will lack spares, favoring integrated repair systems and AI-driven diagnostics for better reliability. If you're uncomfortable with just a repair kit, consider roadside assistance programs. Nissan's program offers towing services for flats, and many EV owners enroll in these for peace of mind. Ensure your tires are properly maintained and inflated. Use the tire pressure monitoring system to check pressures regularly, aiming for the recommended PSI on your door sticker. Regularly inspect them for wear and tear. Check tread depth using wear indicators. When tread reaches these bars, it's time for new tires to maintain safety. A well-maintained tire and a working repair kit will keep you safe on the road. Combine regular checks with your repair kit for the best protection in your Nissan Leaf II.